Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife. I have got the tiniest Dollar Tree haul. I say tiny, I got a few more things, but they were all personal. I bought Dawn. I bought toothpaste for both of our bathrooms. I bought new toothbrushes for everyone. So that I'm not going to share with you. I've already put that up and we're using it. So I thought, well, today is Shout Out Sunday. And I did not load anything up last week. So I thought, I'll do a Dollar Tree haul with what I purchased this week. Because you know as well as I do, you go into Dollar Tree and you buy your personal needs like toothpaste, toothbrushes, dishwashing liquid, that kind of thing. And you're always going to find something. Well, I was actually extremely excited. Even though it's tiny, I'm extremely excited with what I found. So, let me share. I'll share the boring stuff first. You can see some of the pretties. One of the things I've told y'all, I am all in about storage containers right now because I'm working on my room. And so I bought these drawer organizers. This is the long one. And then I bought the short one as well. And I'm hoping y'all can see the length. I bought the short. I bought two of these. And then I bought three of these. That's all. They only had two of the short, but they had more of the longer ones. And I may pick up more when I go back. But, so yes, I'm all about organization right now. Trying to get my room done. One of the other ones that I'm extremely excited about is these containers. It's hard when you do red, black, white, gray. It's hard to find things because everything's in pastel colors right now. But I saw these. As a matter of fact, when I went through it wasn't really the crafting section. It was in my store, it wasn't even the storage section. It was in well, no, I take that back. There was a whole teacher organization. It was the aisle down from it. And they had a bunch of new containers. And I was like, wow, I haven't seen this except for around school. Well, they only had one they had a few of these, but they only had one in my color. They had blue and different colors, but it didn't match my room. And I was like, look, I'll take gray, I'll take black, I'll take red, and I'll take white, or even clear. But they didn't have them. Well, as I went through the store, at the end where all the storage containers were, they had these, and I got super excited. So, the thing about these that I love is that they have the lids. Number one, and yes, there is color here. It's like a gray. It's actually, I think, supposed to be like a black, but it's more like a gray see-through. So I can still see through it, but I love that the handles, they got handles on here, and it snaps over the side of the lid. So I don't have to worry that it falls out. And I'm thinking, and I'm not sure yet, but see, it just snaps right over the handle. And so I'm thinking that, well, if I can put it on right, that I'm going to probably store maybe some ephemera, handmade bows, or, things that y'all had all gifted me. I figured I'd do this. So I bought actually 6 of these. And I also love, put that one back on. I love how they just sit nice and neat right on top of each other. I love that. So I can put them on my shelves. I can put them in my closet. And like I said, I bought 6 each. And of course, I got the lids with them as well. So that's my storage. Yay, I'm so excited. Now for the fun stuff. But before I do that, this is Shout Out Sunday. So, you can see it on my desk. The pretty stuff. But since it's Shout Out Sunday, what I want to do is give a special shout out, not to one person, not to get somebody's channel growing. I just want to thank some special ladies in my life for one reason or another. Number one, I want to shout out and thank Jenny with Craft Creations. And this is not a VR, but at the same time, she's trying to get her channel going. not going, let me rephrase that. She's trying to get her channel up to 2,000 subscribers. And she said she's been in a limbo for a little while. And she's like at 1.8 thousand something subscribers. And she says she feel like she's just like been sitting there for a while and waiting on the 2,000 subscribers. Well, guess what, y'all? She's doing a giveaway if she reaches 2,000. Now, I'm not doing this to help, to enter the giveaway. I'm not going to say I'm not going to join it. I'm just saying that I want to help her if I can. 9 times out of 10, she's got all the subscribers I do. But if you don't know Jenny, not only are you going to help her out, you're going to enjoy her giggly, bubbly self that I love it to hear her laugh. And she gets so excited and so blessed. She's just a very unique, one-of-a-kind, laughing, bubbly friend. And Jenny, thank you so much. I'm so glad we reached out to each other. And I cannot wait to talk to you, sweetheart. Oh, I'm excited. Then I'm going to give a shout out, and yes, I've done this before, to sweet, precious Denise Becker. Y'all do not know what she does behind the scenes. With her not having a channel, which she will. But she does things for certain people that nobody ever knows about. And so I just, she's amazing. So tender-hearted, so sweet, so amazing. And I love her so much. And she's done so much, not only for me, but for so many other ladies out there that not all of y'all know about. So yes, I'm going to do a shout out for Denise as well. Also, I'm doing a shout out for Trina. She's given me a shout out before. I've told y'all that. If you watched any of my latest videos, not latest, back in the past videos, you will know that Trina was the first one to give me a shout out. Love you, sweetheart. You know how I feel about you. Gina, oh my gosh, girl. You killed me tonight when I talked to you. I love you. You have such an amazing heart, such an amazing soul, and are so sweet. I cannot thank you enough for taking the opportunity to get to know me and becoming my friend. You ladies are so freaking amazing. I don't know what I would do without your positive talk, your positive thoughts, and how we all just get along. It just amazes me. I love this freaking community so much. And last but not, absolutely not least, is I've given her shout out as well. And that is Miss Lorraine Barton. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'd be without you either. And you know that. We've talked, and we've talked. You are my tough love. You are the one who keeps me in check. And I could not be more grateful for you. There's so many more I could give a specific shout out, but I'm going to do that at a later time. In the meantime, I just want to thank y'all. Oh my gosh. It has been such a busy weekend, and I'm going to end it with this we had to move my brother's furniture and everything, but Brittany, that's my oldest daughter, Lily, had her JROTC ball this weekend. And she was so beautiful. And I shared the pictures with some friends. And I'm going to share them here with you at the end of my video. But in between, I hope you enjoy them. I hope you appreciate that, yes, I'm a proud mama, so I'm going to brag. With that being said, I know this is a tiny haul. I know it's not the typical shout out. But let me show you the last couple of cutesy things. And then I'm going to wrap this up. One of the things I have found a couple of these. I found this one, I believe, at Dollar General. Maybe it was Dollar Tree. But that one I forgot to put in a Happy Mail, so I'll send that one in the next Happy Mail. And then this one I bought for a specific Happy Mail I'm getting ready to send out. Once I get some dies in the mail, then I'm sending a happy package out for that one. And then I've got a package ready to go for another special friend. And if she watches this video, she's going to know who she is. And with that being said, she may have already have some of these, but that's okay. She can use them on more packages, or she can gift it away if she's already got some. That's fine. And then these, I wish I'm regretting it, but that's okay. I'll go back and see if I can get some more. And that's these metallic cupcake liners. I got the light pink and I got the teal. But they also had a blue and a dark pink. What I wish is I would have went ahead and got every color, and then I would have went back and got more, because I do know of a couple of friends who could not find all the colors and one friend who has not seen them at all. So as soon as I go back, I'm going to see about grabbing some more of these metallic cupcake liners. And then I'll share with you, I already showed you the tutorial where I actually take those, flatten them out instead of cutting the middle, and flatten them out, and then die cutting them so that they have a pretty edge around. Then I know Miss Lorraine had sent me some of the Crafter Square stickers that I had not seen at my store, and I just found these, and they are so cute. And she didn't send me any of these, so I picked up a couple packets, and I'm not going to read it all, but this seems more like a love theme on this one. But you all know love is all year round. There's no season with it, so I'm not sure if this was supposed to be Valentine and we just got it in. But either way, it's talking about love. And one of the ones that I want to read is, I just want to thank you for being my reason to look forward to the next day. So many of y'all keep me happy. And so I picked up a couple. And I'm probably going to pick up some more the next time I go, along with the cupcake liners. And then this one, yes, I only picked up one pack. I only picked it up because I want to make some projects for this. And it says, don't lose hope. You never know what tomorrow brings. Never lose hope. Hope. You are stronger than you think. That one is absolutely one of the reasons why I bought this. And that pain is real, but so is hope. We've got to stick with the positive side. In all things, it is better to hope than to despair. Hope. Hope, hope, hope. There is always hope. And it's got this little cute bling in there. Love it. So excited. I know this was a tiny Dollar Tree haul. And it was a definite, unique Sunday shout out. And it probably will not be uploaded. I'll upload it tonight, but y'all may not see it until tomorrow because I'm kind of being up late. Hubby got called out on call, so I decided to go ahead and get this done. I've not had the best weekend. I've had a very, very busy weekend. And so I wasn't able to do Sunday shout out because I woke up with a sinus headache. So I'm getting it done now. So what can I say? With that being said, I'm going to wrap this up. But remember, stay tuned, because the end of this video, I'm going to insert some pictures of my gorgeous, gorgeous baby girl, Lilybug, all dolled up for her JROTC ball. I hope you enjoy it. And as always, I love y'all, and I absolutely wish you the best.